Hi guys, tools needed for this install is a panel popper and a 10mm deep socket and ratchet. Hey guys, welcome to Spyder Auto. My name is Van, your install technician, and today I'll show you how to install taillights on a 2005 to 2009 Ford Mustang. Let's start by popping open the trunk. So first you're going to remove one retainer nut up top, 2 plastic push pins, and then you're going to do the same to the other side to remove the plastic cover. Now you're going to remove the tail light. You're going to remove 3 11mm nuts. Disconnect your wire harness, and there's a rubber grommet here. You're just gonna push that into the circle so that we can pop our tail light out. Now go ahead and bring your Spyder tail light over, and the only bulb you're gonna have to transfer over is the reverse light bulb. Disconnect the bulb socket, transfer over your reverse light bulb, now our Spyder taillight is ready to install. Now that we replaced the reverse light bulb, go ahead and bring your Spyder taillight over. First thing you want to do is feed your wire harness through the hole, and then mount the rubber grommet into place. Carefully seat your tail light. Now we can reinstall the 3 11mm nuts. Connect your wire harness. Okay, now we can repeat the same process to the other side. So now that we have our taillights installed, go ahead and reinstall your plastic cover, and also reinstall your 4 plastic push pins that go here, 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 here. And after you do that, reinstall your retainer nuts that go here and here. Now we're ready to test the functions.